How to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily go ahead and chat with your friends on Roblox. It helps you interact with your friends more and get a deeper connection with them. And communication during the gameplay also enhances the experience by enabling teamwork and your strategies. So let's see how you can do that. First thing first, you have to open up your Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. You also have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. For that, you can go ahead and check on Google Play Store or App Store to update the app. Now, once you land on your home page, on the bottom side of your screen, you'll find different options like home, charts, avatar, party, and more. All you have to do is tap on this people's icon that says party, or in some cases, it will show you chats. Just tap on it. And here you can just go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Now select what kind of friends you want to add to your party, or you can just directly chat with them one by one. So just tap on the chat, and then you can just start chatting. So just tap here and type in something, and if they are online, they will respond back to you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.